I saw these sponges at Sephora and they really caught my attention. The Sephora Feeling Groovy sponge set, little mushrooms. Get 2 little sponges, cute little colors. I'm always in need of new sponges, so just look at them. Pretty cute, right? I love the shades of pink. They feel soft, which is something I always look for in sponges. I usually do not wet my sponges. When you use them dry, they can give you like more coverage versus if you wet them, but I do want to see how much it expands, so I will wet one of them. It would be really cool and useful to like hold it from here and apply your foundation. I will leave it listed in the description in case you would like to check it out. Made without natural latex, can be used wet with liquid, cream, or powder formulas. This is made in China. We'll try it like this first, then I will go ahead and wet it for the other side and see how it works. Seen it out with one of my favorite foundations. This is by Givenchy, is the Prism Libre Skin Caring Glow. Please don't make a mess because I am wearing white. I hope this blends it out well. Here we go. I totally forgot to put concealer. I applied that first, but it's okay. And I'm just checking to see how well it blends it out. Also, like if it's gonna make my foundation look patchy or anything. Seemed to work really good. I think it's a really nice size, like dry, but we'll go ahead and wet it and see. It did blend everything out nicely. 1 second, I'm just gonna go wet this other one. Okay, are you ready to see the difference? This is the regular. Here's your medium size. So dry and wet. What do you think? I really tried to like squeeze out all the liquid from this. I don't want it to shear out my foundation. I love this size better, so I can like spread the foundation faster. Just doing 3 pumps. And here you go. Oh my god. That's actually so cool. This feels amazing. I think it's a really useful shape. Great blend. Very easy to use. It feels so soft. I've always wanted like really soft sponges. I might go and buy some more. Love how it feels. When I added the water, it just feels so soft. I know I'm done applying, but I just like, I don't know what's wrong with me. First impressions, highly recommend. I'm already in love. Tell me, what do you think? Use a wet sponge or a dry sponge? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.